15 must-have cruise items you can't sail without. Hey there, cruisers! I'm Sarah from Trusted Choices, and today I've got the ultimate list of must-have items for your next cruise adventure. These top 15 essentials will make your trip smoother, more comfortable, and a whole lot more fun. Let's dive right in. First up, we have magnetic hooks. These little guys are perfect for hanging up hats, bags, wet towels, and other accessories in your cruise cabin. They stick to the metal walls, giving you extra storage without taking up space. Next, cruise lanyards. These are a lifesaver for keeping your cruise card handy. You'll need it for everything from getting into your room to buying that refreshing cocktail. Don't forget a waterproof phone case. Whether you're lounging by the pool or exploring a new port, this case will keep your phone safe from water, sand, and splashes. You can thank us later, Mom and Dad. A sun hat is essential for those sunny days at sea and on the beach. It protects your face and neck from the sun's harsh rays, so you can enjoy your vacation without the sunburn. Speaking of sun protection, reef-safe sunscreen is a must. It keeps your skin safe while protecting the ocean's coral reefs. Win-win! A pop-up hamper is great for keeping your cabin tidy and hiding your unmentionables from cabin crew who clean your room. It's lightweight and folds down easily when not in use, making it perfect for packing. The hanging toiletry bag is another space saver. It keeps all your toiletries organized and easily accessible, hanging right on the bathroom door. A foldable backpack is perfect for shore excursions. It's compact, lightweight, and expands to hold all your essentials for a day of exploring. Travel worry-free with AirTags. Place them in your luggage to easily track and find your bags if they get lost. It's peace of mind in a tiny package. You and your family will never run out of juice with a power bank. This portable charger keeps your devices powered up so you can capture every moment of your trip. These are perfect for excursions and fit nicely in your foldable waterproof backpack. And there you have the top 10. Let's see what's next. A travel adapter is a must for cruises outside the USA or international cruises. It ensures you can plug in and charge your devices no matter where you are in the world, without destroying them. The overdoor organizer is perfect for maximizing space in your cabin. Because let's face it, all cabins are not created equal. Hang it on your bathroom or closet door to store shoes, accessories, and other small items. Stay powered up with the non-surge power cube. With multiple outlets and USB ports, it's perfect for charging all your gadgets at once. Not only are they critical for keeping your expensive devices safe, but they are a space saver too. Avoid seasickness with Bonine. This non-drowsy formula is a lifesaver for those prone to motion sickness, letting you enjoy every moment on board. Or if you prefer patches, we recommend 369 Life Motion Sickness patches. You may want to try both to see which works better on your body. Lastly, stay hydrated with a collapsible water bottle. It saves space in your bag and is perfect for refilling throughout the day, especially if you'll be in the sun or had a few drinks. Cheers! There you have it, cruisers! These 15 items will make your cruise experience more enjoyable and hassle-free. Check the comments for links to all these products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips from Trusted Choices. Bon voyage! And if you're looking to book a cruise, check out our trusted partner, cruiseapp.com for reviews, ship comparisons, deals, and booking.